hello and welcome once again from the Kyndryl Pavilion right here at the India AI Impact Summit 2026. We're bringing you all the live action, and here to talk to us are some of the leaders from the Kyndryl team who are going to tell us all about the importance of the summit and so much more. So a very warm welcome to both of you. Thank you. We have joining us Rakesh Ranjan, CDO, Digital Financial Services and Innovation Kyndryl, and Meenakshi Kumar, Customer Partner, Kyndryl India. Welcome. Thank you for talking to us. Really exciting to be here, especially with the Kyndryl team, because as I understand, Kyndryl has made a substantial investment in AI in India of about 2.25 billion just last year. So we'd love to understand your positioning here in the entire AI gamut. And of course, why are summits like this so important, especially in this moment? Rakesh?
India is in a state where we generate a lot of data, tons of data. We are moving to a digitalization by using the various digital rails that are available in the country, right? Especially in banking that I'm connected with. Secondly, there's a lot of talent pool available in India, which is making a lot of difference. And we have a capability to build solutions for the world in India at a much cheaper price and with the highest quality. So this investment they're talking about will definitely make a lot of difference to make sure that India emerges as a key player in this segment. Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about what Kyndryl is doing here again? What is the big impact that we are seeing of AI in the Let's start with the manufacturing sector. You can talk us through
See,
this.
in manufacturing, we have already done certain investments with some of our customers, very good large customers into automotive, airports. We focus on conglomerates and manufacturing domain. We also launched 100 agents in a box very recently, which is focusing on how we can bring the disparate systems of manufacturing systems, right, which is more focused on supply chain, dealer management into a single platform, and then bring these AI agents on a single platform so that the data can be used. So lot of things to talk about, and we are working with our customers in those segments. We first understand their concerns area, their problem areas, and then provide the solution around it.
Wonderful. Thank you for that. Truly such an exciting moment to be here. Thank you both for talking to us and giving us very unique insights here at the summit. All the very best for the rest
Thank
of
you
the
so
summit.
much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.